This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Honda Civic. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, voice recognition, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front and rear floor mats, front side impact airbags, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1-year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.